flower seedlings and flowers at Medway Garden Center. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, so it's spring and I'm over here at Medway Garden Center. They have a huge selection of flowers, seedlings, flowers, and even vegetable seedlings. If you haven't seen my video on vegetable seedlings, I'll see if I can put the link below, or check out my videos on seedlings at Medway Garden Center. But you can see they have a good selection of flowers over here, huge variety of flowers. We're not going to be able to go into details of all of them, but I'm just going to show you some of them with the names, and then later on I'll just show you how the various ones look, like this one over here. You can see so they have a huge selection of flowers, so we're just going to go through and you can see the various variety of flowers that they have. Let me know in the comments below if you're planting flowers this year, if you're planting annuals or perennials. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So yeah, they have some good selection of flowers. I usually visit them in the spring to see what they have for spring. Usually in the spring, I come here for any seedlings that I don't have, especially vegetable seedlings that I don't have or that I don't have enough. I come and get vegetable seedlings. I've bought some flowers here, but I don't usually plant a lot of flowers, but I usually get vegetable seedlings and other stuff from here. So they have a good, like I said, they have a good selection, and the prices are also good. And in the process, you're helping a local community. So check your local communities, local garden centers, local farm stands. If you shop there, you're going to be helping them and you're going to be helping your community. So definitely check it out. I'm sure they have some good selection of flowers and vegetables and other stuff in your local farm stands and local garden centers. So like I said, they have some good selection. We're just going to go through, take a look at it. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, please follow me for more videos like this, and stay tuned for that. So enjoy the music and just go through. I will just go through and show you what they have and the various collections and the various varieties. Some of them I might be able to show you the names, and some of them they're just gonna be just how they look. You might know the names, but like I said, they have some good quality flower seedlings and flowers over here, bright colors, especially the annuals. They are really awesome. Okay, enjoy the video.